Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you about installing the GSAC, or another name might be Herman software, inside Ubuntu 22 LTS. We have a new release of Ubuntu 24, which is the latest release of Ubuntu, but we're not gonna use it because it is on the test state, and for about 6 months later, it could be a good opportunity to install it. So I'm not gonna use Ubuntu 24. This is Ubuntu 22 LTS. If I'm going to my detailed system, yes, Ubuntu 22.04.4, which is the latest version till now uh, of this version of Ubuntu, which is debugged, and most of the problem was solved. The architecture is a 64-byte, and version and other details you might need. So, for starting the project, for starting the work, first you have to use Google. For example, I'm going to search Herman seismology. The process is easy. The first link is my answer, and you can see there is some information here. We don't need any of these. For Linux, you can see for Linux and macOS, you can download it. For Linux, I can see, yes, this is Ubuntu 23. It doesn't differ by the dependencies and architecture to Ubuntu 22, so the process will be the same. You must first install these libraries, libx 11-dev, GCC, make, gfortran, libncurses-dev, gv, I don't know what is that, imagemagick. You may need gmt for high geography information. And synaptic is not useful here. You may need synaptic is just a graphical GUI for using apt. So if you're not familiar with copy and pasting in the terminal, just search these packages inside synaptic, check the tick mark, and install and apply them. Next, we need to, this is saying compile, so I need to go back and download the GSAC software. You see, I can find something here, download Unix Linux. Let's see, yes, this has a forum. You put your name, email, organization, institute. They are all optional. If you put something without any meaning, like this would satisfy the job, and without being an error, this will lead to, let's see if this works right, like this. If I put nothing, yes, everything worked, and get the executable. The executable file is not this or this or this one. Download using a browser. You can download it. I'm using XDM for download manager, or you can use wget if you have wget installed, and other tutorials. I have gathered all of them in a text file, so it will be easy to use. I'm putting them in the caption of my YouTube video, so you can easily find it and use the job. You can see I have this src I have downloaded. You can see it. The name is mp33.april25 2024.tgz. You can see I have downloaded here and extracted it, and this is the information. You can see this is all the dependencies. Just copy and paste all of them into the terminal. Somehow it can be done easier. In no time, I put them in just one command to be easier, and put it in the caption of this video. So one command will be done. The download link is this one. You can just copy this download link. I'm using a download manager. If I choose new download, yes, it has found. If I press download now, Let's see. Yes, it is working on downloading the job, so I'm going to stop it, and some other links for getting information about the changes and correction. This link and the tutorial is here, and question and answer page can be found here. I put all of this in the caption so it can be easy for you to use. The process is completely easy. Just right click on the TGZ file and press extract here. And it will create a new folder like this, np330.april. I'm gonna open it. Yes, this is program. This is the folder, only one and only folder. The process is completely easy. First, you are going to type /. First, let's get a list of files. Yes, I have a setup with capital S, so I'm going to type /setup, and it is saying that my system is using Linux with the architecture of 64. So for it to work, I can use this. If you have some other architecture like OS XM or OS X Intel, you can choose one of them. I'm going to copy this part and paste it again. Yes, it does something, and in the end saying / with capital C export the output inside c.txt. I don't need that. I just want to see the output. So I've done this before, so it may take some time based on your system. Even on my system with a high or good resources, it took sometimes about 6 or 7 minutes to compile the job. If I press C, yes, it is going to recompile again. This may take some time compiling the job, and let's see if it is going to be done soon. Process will be completely easy. You just need to, it just creates some folders here. You just need to add the bin, the binary which has the executions inside the bashrc. So just copy the path here. I just choose Control L on the keyboard. I have highlighted the URL of the location of the directory and open a terminal using open the bashrc with gedit. Yes, I have lots of things defined here. I'm going to put a tag that these configurations below will be GSAC. I can say Herman 2. In the next line, I should type experts pass equal to with the double quotation this location, and with the colon $pass. I think this is the job. This is the only thing you need to set. Close the bashrc. I'm going to put this one in the notepad here, so you can gedit.bashrc and put the pass like this. But I have this username, so I'm going to type pass to binary of GSAC file, GSAC software. I'm sharing this on the caption. Everything is done. Closing the bashrc, closing the information file, closing the terminal. Yes, everything is done. Everything very, very good is done, and nothing else. This website has some information in it too. You can see if you choose Linux here, it is saying that also set up with this information. That's the C, and just putting the binary in the bashrc, so it will be easily to read. If I just reread the bashrc like this source the bashrc. Yes, everything is done. And if I type GSAC, yes, I have GSAC completely running. I don't know if I have SAC installed. No, I don't have SAC installed. So everything is completely done, and you have compiled the GSAC software inside Ubuntu 22, and everything is fine. You can find some documentation here in CPS install if you need information about installing the GSAC and other things here. I'm going to put the main website on this info file so you can easily access anything and very fast. Thank you for your attention. Just ask anything you need.